Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about cursive letter, uppercase letter B and C. How to write cursive uppercase letter, capital letter B and C in 4 lines. Okay, let's start. Somewhat slanting line and curve touch to this upper line. Okay, then like this. So B for ball, B for ball. Okay, somewhat slanting, then curve. So like this, we join this curve. B for bat. So B for ball. So B for bird. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Okay. Next, how to write C. So somewhat start from this line. So the curve, small curve, then this curve not touch to this second line. Okay, C. So C for cat. Okay, C for cat. C for cow. C for cow. C for camel. C for camel. So like this we have to practice the cursive letter B and C. So B for ball, B for bat, B for butterfly. So B for balloon. So B for boy. C for cat, C for cow, C for camel. Okay, C for cat, C for cow, C for camel. So like this we have to practice cursive uppercase letters in 4 lines. Okay, thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.